What's up, Crypto Universe? It's me, Eugene Tay.
And it's me, Malcolm.
So we're back again this time with the unboxing of Sirin Labs Finney Phone.
Very, very excited to unbox this phone. You know, finally we get to see such a...
I saw what you did there.
You know, it's always nice to see a product coming out from the blockchain space. You know, it's something you can feel, something you can touch. You know.
So in fact, in Singapore itself, we are one of, actually in fact, the first guys to get our hands on this distributorship for the Finney Phone. So if you're interested, you're watching this video, you're interested in getting this phone for yourself after watching the unboxing, well, contact us, leave us a message and we'll get back to you because we get to distribute this phone right here in Singapore.
Exciting times for the blockchain space.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready, let's do it.
Let's do a close-up on this one. Ladies and gentlemen, unboxing of the Finney Phone.
Cut the sides, yeah. Alright. Okay, all the way down.
Think the angle of cutting a bit off. Very sleek.
I love the color, man. It's like a, you know, metallic kind of grey. We have the branding there, Sirin Labs, very cool. And the Finney Phone. Right.
Oh!
You forgot the security seal, man. Right.
Okay, there we go. Oh, check it out.
Alright, very cool.
A rubber seal. Welcome to blockchain era. And there we go. That's the phone.
Start here. Alright.
So the phone feels rather heavy, but it's a nice kind of weight where it feels substantial. The side is all chrome. This reminds me of the old Virtual phone, you know, back in the old Nokia days. Very, very sleek, very prestige.
Well, I love the shield behind. It's
Nice. Okay, there's this plastic cover, we need to get rid of it. Remove labels here.
So the Finney Phone actually boasts a quad-core Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM, which is pretty good for any standard. It has 128GB of storage with a SD memory card slot. Alright, and running on Android 8.1, it's Google certified and has embedded cold storage.
That's
the key part. Together with a secure hardware element and two multi-touch safe screen and support major cryptocurrencies and tokens. So let's see how it works.
My SIM card.
For the camera, I mean, you know, camera is very important these days, and you know, when people think of a blockchain phone, the security is of utmost importance. Maybe they'll say they'll stinge on the camera, but actually the camera specifications of Finney is actually not too bad. It has the main camera has 12 megapixels, and the front camera has 8 megapixel.
For your selfie needs.
For your selfie needs, yeah. So it's actually pretty decent.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to turn on the phone right now.
Powered by Android, okay, that's good. And it comes with Gorilla Glass. I mean, that's why, you know, it looks so good. So I think it's
What is a Gorilla Glass?
Yeah, it will be scratch resistant for, you know, most of the keys and most metal stuff.
I'm not about to try that out right now. Okay, now I'm going to leave the phone here. We're going to do the phone review and setup in a while. I just want to look at the unboxing right now. So let's see what's below this. Again, I think everything about this whole product just screams sleek. Okay, now how to take this out.
Is there any way to pull it out?
Ah, there we go.
Okay, so what is that?
Okay, this I think it's the instruction manual.
Alright, pretty thick instruction manual.
Quick start guide. Okay. Here's the quick start guide, sound and safety, enjoy the benefits. You can only get warranty. Okay.
Oh, I love the colors, man.
So the design is very nice.
Put a lot of thought and effort to it, which is great.
Oh, okay. So you get all the different SATA for your international plug head.
Yeah, he means adapters.
Even the adapter is even the charging adapter is very cool.
That's the brake, right?
I think
It's the power brake.
Power brake, yeah.
Yeah, the power brake. All right. And cable, which is USB-C. Yeah. So it comes with a USB-C cable with the power brake, along with adapters for I think every single region that you will be in. So that's pretty cool. Very thoughtful. You know, it's an international thing, right?
There we go. Unboxing of the Sirin Labs Finney Phone is done. I would give this look and feel actually a 4.5, I would say. Yeah. I like how simple it is, how slick it is. It doesn't try to be too fancy, cramping in a lot of details. In fact, you look at the box, everything on the surface just screams simplicity here. Sirin Labs Finney Phone. If the cover or the envelope or the sleeve that's holding the phone is also just looks very pleasing to the eye. This is the unboxing of Sirin Labs Finney Phone.
Yeah, I think everything from the material used to the color is really striking and very beautiful. And I'm very excited to see what this phone has. Now, I've never really been an Android fan, to be very honest. But you know, Finney Phone might actually change my mind. So let's see how it goes.
Well, join us in the next episode where we teach you how to set up your phone right out of the box.